Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Today I'm going to do a super easy Easter tablescape. I pretty much went around the house just to shop my home. I didn't buy anything new this year for Easter since it's only going to be Chris and I here at the house. But I still wanted to make it look special. So this is just an easy way to decorate for Easter if it's just going to be you and your close family members. So I hope you guys enjoy. So a cute little way to display your napkins is to fold in the bottom and top corners, and then you just start rolling the bottom piece first and then kind of hold that there, roll in the top piece until that kind of overlaps a little bit, and then you take an egg and put that right in the center of the napkin and kind of wrap those ears, because it's going to be a little bunny rabbit. Wrap those ears around the egg and then get some string or some ribbon to tie and bunch that together so that way it stays in place. I'm just using some twine I found around the house. I think I got it from Target a few years ago, so nothing fancy, just so that your egg stays in place. And then just kind of tie that in a little bow to make it a little cute. And then you just kind of fluff up the ears so that it looks like a little bunny rabbit. Super cute. I found it on Pinterest, but I thought I would show you guys how to do it on camera. So I'd like to add lots of layers when I do tablescapes. Like I'll have a table runner, 2 chargers, a plate. I just like the layered look. So that's what I'm doing here. I just used a woven charger, a galvanized charger, and then a jadeite plate on top, because I think those jadeite just like scream spring. So those cute little baskets I got from Target Dollar Spot, and the flowers are from Michael's. I think my favorite thing about tablescapes is candlelight. It just kind of elevates the mood when you're setting a table. It kind of makes it feel more special in my opinion. So here's the finished look. Just something super easy. I used a lot of neutrals, but with a little pops of color here and there. Again, it's just gonna be Chris and I. I know I set it for 4 people, but that would kind of look silly if I just did 2 people anyway. So. And for those napkins, you can either use a real egg, which I did because I haven't hard boiled any, but you can also certainly use some fake eggs as well. And I believe the bunny is also from Michael's, if I'm not mistaken. I've gotten them years ago, so it's kind of hard to remember, but I believe he is from Michael's. And I just kind of thought he needed to be propped up a little bit, so I just put a little cake plate underneath him with some decorative eggs around him. So that little riser is from Michael's, and those little dessert plates were from Target Hearth and Hand collection a few years ago. But yeah, that is the finished look. I hope you guys have a happy Easter, and you can always find more details over on my blog at robynssouthernnest.com. Thanks for flying by, friends. Have a good day.